Welcome to Electrical and PLC Automation channel. I hope that you all are well and this video lecture will find you in the best of your health. So take care yourselves. So today this video lecture is about types of circuit breakers on the basis of polarities AC or DC, on the basis of poles, single pole, double pole, triple pole, four pole, on the basis of voltage levels, small voltage level, medium voltage level, extra high voltage level, ultra high voltage level, and finally we will learn about mediums like oil circuit breaker, vacuum circuit breaker, sulfur hexafluoride circuit breaker, and in the end we will study about some protection schemes like RCCB and earth leakage circuit breaker. So start our lecture with the polarities of circuit breaker. So this is the LaTex code I will share you in the end of the video lecture on my channel description. So this one is the title of video lecture. So kindly subscribe this channel for further video lectures regarding automation, embedded systems and electrical. So classification of circuit breakers on the basis of polarities. So there are two types of polarities. So we will categorize our circuit breakers or as AC circuit breakers and DC circuit breakers. Next we will see classification of circuit breaker on the basis of voltage. Low voltage circuit breakers voltage range lies up to 1 kV, 1 kilovolts. And as far as concerned with medium voltage circuit breakers, so its range lies from 1 to 52 kilovolts. And for high voltage circuit breakers operate in the operating voltage range 66 to 220 kilovolts. And extra high voltage circuit breakers operate in the range 300 to 765 kilovolts. And as far as concerned with ultra high voltage circuit breakers, the operating voltage of those circuit breakers is above 765 kilovolts. So this one is the circuit breaker, and these terminals are known as incoming terminals. Here we connect three phase regarding phase sequence red, yellow, blue incoming to circuit breaker, and from these terminals are known as outgoing terminal, and from these wires are radially outward and connect to electrical appliances. And the operating current of circuit breaker is about 400 amperes. Okay. So next we classify circuit breaker on the basis of mediums. So oil circuit breaker, vacuum circuit breaker, air circuit breaker, SF6 circuit breaker, sulfur hexafluoride circuit breaker. So oil, vacuum, SF6 and air are the arc quenching extinguisher mediums during switching and make break contacts used in circuit breakers. So in switching, contacts of circuit breakers make or break. So in that case, arc phenomena rises, which is harmful for our circuit breaker. So some are the popular arc extinguishers, which is known as oil, vacuum, sulfur hexafluoride, and air circuit breakers. So more classes of circuit breakers are further categorized as MCB, miniature circuit breaker, MCCB, molded case circuit breaker, ELCB, earth leakage circuit breaker, and RCCB, residual case circuit breaker. So in next video lecture, you will get detailed knowledge about comparison regarding these voltage, these circuit breakers oil, vacuum, air in detailed comparison. So this video lecture is about overall view. uh, Basically it provides you the classification on which you distinguish or categorize circuit breaker. So more classes of circuit breakers we have already studied, and the detail of these circuit breakers will soon in upcoming video lecture. Okay, so classification of circuit breakers on the basis of poles. Single pole circuit breaker is known as SP and is used in single phasing. Double pole circuit breaker, which requires incoming phase and neutral. Triple pole circuit breaker for three phase. Four pole circuit breaker, which offers you the control of three phase along with neutral. So these all are about our today's video lecture, and for upcoming video lecture in which you will learn the detailed knowledge about circuit breaker depending on mediums, voltage levels, poles, protection schemes. Kindly subscribe video lecture. Thanks and take care yourselves.